The next step in our IET scenario is enter the region barriers information. So we're going to click the arrow to expand the region barriers section of the IET interface. IET displays a default shape and orientation for the selected field. The planner may change the shape, dimensions, and orientation and select the barriers. This is for calculating wind erosion, and this step sets the shapes, dimensions, and orientation of the region within the AOI to be analyzed. It also defines the characteristics of any barriers at the edges of the region. Notice it defaults the width and length based on the geospatial shape of the field. It also calculates the area in acres, but that's the total area of the rectangles and may not exactly match the acres of the field. We can also adjust the orientation of the field. In this case, our field is pretty much 0 degrees orientation, so we're going to leave that as it is. Might want to turn off our soils just so we can kind of see the field a little better. And notice there's not very many barriers around the field, but there is on the west side a line of trees along the fence row. So I'm going to enter just a trees, one row, deciduous, 20 years, leaf off, a barrier on that side of the field. That should be all the information we need to set our region barriers information for the IET run.